Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Fancyall electronic keypad deadbolt lock, Wi-Fi smart lock, secure plus deadbolt, Bluetooth smart lock, biometric fingerprint, patented keypad. App control, auto lock, keyless entry door lock. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Administrator, enjoy key-free access and leave the bulky keychain behind. After pairing the lock with TT Lock app on your phone becomes the administrator of the lock. The convenient keypad lock. No keyhole, anti-pry, bump-proof and anti-copy. The electronic door lock provides your great safe. Fingerprint identification. Fancyall smart lock can recognizes your fingerprint in just 0.25 seconds, and to unlocks the door in 0.8 second. Do not to wait, your door open right away. Protection. The smart lock with an IP65 weatherproof function, it is ready to protect your home and family in any location. Do not worry the damaged for bad weather. To install, the smart lock can be easily installed and programmed. Just install and put the batteries, you can use it right away. Your privacy. The smart lock can stores your fingerprint safe. The smart key security to help protects against advanced break. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.